Hey everybody, you're looking at a picture of the Lesson 2 cell structure and function that is found in the Google Classroom. This is the actual lesson that I have pulled up here. What I wanted to talk to you about was how to do this lesson. This is a project that involves everyone. If you go to Lesson 2, page 18 and 19, you're going to be looking at cell features and functions and how they work. And what I want you to do is I want you to watch the plant versus animal cells video first, then the biology, cell structure, and nucleus. Once you have done that, go back to your evidence notebook, make any notes that you feel that are pertinent and that you have good notes on how the cells work and how they function, and maybe what the difference between an animal cell is and a plant cell. Now, the second part of this project is called the Stadium Features Assignment. It is in Google Docs, and you will find your name in the Google Docs. I don't know if this will come up or not. We're going to try it. Here it is. You can see that we have CenturyLink field. And if you notice the outline of this looks very much like a cell. So each part of the stadium has to work together. And how many people work in each of your departments? Well, each one of you has a department that you are going to be looking at. You're going to figure out how it functions. How does it work with the other parts of the stadium? Each person has an assignment. So Carson is in lighting. Joel is in food service. Camera crew is Amelia. Field maintenance is Christopher. Stadium maintenance for the inside booth, floors, and seats is Cody. Custodial service, water, bathrooms, handicapped areas is Jesse. Players and cheerleaders, locker rooms is Sophia. Oh, Sophia, I did not spell your name correctly. Let me fix that right now. Okay. And the front office is ticket sales and advertising, and that is Tristan. Each one of these parts work together. And what you're going to do is you're going to take a copy of this, and in the top of the file, you will put your department's name and share that back with me. Don't write in this one. Make sure you take a copy and then change the file name to whichever one of these offices you have. You're going to put in how your department works and how it works, how you think it may work with other departments, and why your department is important to the function of the stadium. Okay, this is due on the 11th. I'd like to have it all in. I'm going to take all of your work, I'm going to put it all together, and then I will send it out to you as a completed document so you can see how everybody's part of the organization works. So if you have any questions or you're worried about this, give me a call or send me an email and we'll talk about it. I think it'll be fun. I want you to have fun with it. And then keep in mind, this is all in part of how a cell functions and the structure of that cell. And I love the CenturyLink field. It looks a lot to me. I can see all the different little features of the cells in it. So have fun with it, and I hope you enjoy this project. And we'll talk to you soon. Bye.